Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss that affects each and every one of us: personal finance. In just 1 minute, we'll provide you with some valuable insights to help you take control. First things first, saving money. It's crucial to develop a saving habit. Start small by setting aside a portion of your income each month. You'll be surprised how quickly those pennies add up to dollars. Next up, budgeting. Create a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This way, you'll know exactly where your money is going and find areas where you can cut back or save more. Debt can be overwhelming, but it's important to face it head-on. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on the others. With each debt cleared, you'll feel lighter and more financially secure. Now, let's talk about investing. Start early, even with small amounts, and diversify your investments. Over time, you can benefit from the power of compounding and grow your wealth. Lastly, don't forget the importance of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net will provide peace of mind during unexpected situations. And there you have it, folks. Personal finance in a nutshell. By following these simple steps: saving, budgeting, managing debt, investing wisely, and building an emergency fund, you'll be on your way to financial success. Remember, it's never too late to start. Until next time, stay financially savvy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.